What's happening, YouTubers?
Hey everybody!
It's Rob and Dina once again with Two Happy Travelers coming back to you with another VRBO staycation review. Just want to say it's been a pretty busy summer, right?
Yes.
We have got a couple of these that we're trying to finish up, and it's just been crazy. I don't know if it's like that for everybody else. Seems like the whole world's just being
And hot.
Yeah, it's hot. South Carolina can have the heat. I'm ready for fall.
Yes,
I'm ready
me
for
too.
fall. There's a reason we go to the mountains. Let's put it that way. Up in North Carolina. But anyway, we just wanted to tell you about this place we stayed at this past summer. Spent a week there. It's a little mountain cabin, kind of secluded by itself, and the owners are still close by, but far enough away that you feel like you have a little slice of the mountain and the state forest there all to yourself. It's a beautiful place, right?
Yes, it was just so comfortable and cozy, and it's a home that he remodeled that he put so much love and time into it. It's just so many just special touches. A
lot of personal touches.
Oh, it was lovely.
And
very lovely.
Both the owners are real good. They came
sweet
by
as
and
can be.
talked with us, got to know us. Even prayed for one of our cats that kind of turned up missing while we were gone. And thankfully he was there when we got home.
Come running up.
Can't beat the power of prayer, no matter how big or small. That's for sure.
I agree.
Place is called Shoal Sound, and it's on DuPont Road, right off of Crab Creek Road, near DuPont State National Forest, or DuPont National Forest, I guess. Lots of hiking opportunities, waterfalls. Matter of fact, you can sit on the front porch of this place and listen to your own private waterfall in the morning while you're enjoying coffee, or in the evenings while you're watching the sun go down.
Sitting aside the road.
Yeah, the highway patrol, she was pointing them out to me. But yeah, it's a great place, so we wanted to do a video, share it with you, and give it a definite thumbs up. Beautiful place, right?
Yes, I loved it. We're going back this next summer, so there you go.
Yeah, we're looking forward to staying there again. If you like kind of having a little cabin and some privacy, but still yet close by to things, you definitely enjoy this place. It's about 10 minutes from downtown Brevard or downtown Hendersonville, right in the middle, and real easy right off of Crab Creek Road. So go check them out. We definitely recommend it. We had a good time.
Yes, we did.
So that being said, anything else you want to throw in there?
Hope y'all enjoy the clips I put together, and maybe it can give you a
good idea of what you're going to get into.
A feel of what the house is like and everything.
But we definitely recommend it.
We do.
So, like we always say, get out there.
Do something
that makes you happy. Happy. This place definitely will do that for you guys. So,
and relaxed and chilled.
With that being said, we're anxiously looking forward to fall, and we will see you guys on the next video. Take care.
Bye.
That is that same bird you hear on the golf course. You know?
Bye.